squared. 8a times 1 gives you back what? 8a.
8a, okay.
All right.
And you had said,
Any questions? You probably
No,
forget.
sir.
All right. So moving on. Anybody writing? Are we good?
writing.
Question. If you don't practice this, what will happen to you?
Don't forget.
You go forget the truth. What's going to happen if you don't practice for all 4 months, 4 weeks?
You're not gonna know nothing.
No, not at all. You know, let me tell you something. It's the people that are you have people who are gifted, right? We're not talking about gifted people. We're talking about regular people who just work hard and bright. You know what the secret is? They study in small gaps. Small gaps. Over a long period of time. All right? All right, guys, I just took a while ago. Three somebody mic open. Guys, just mute your mic, no man. Yeah, man, just mute your mic, man. If you're not talking, just because sometimes you have some little creatures in the night there, they're making a lot of noise, you know. Just mute your mic. I just took a while ago. 3-person mic up. All right. All right. All right. So example 4. And we're still doing what? Factorization, right?
So, sir, you just did 2 and 3 power and difference. No, you didn't. All right.
No man. All of them are. We're not reached this yet. We're still doing distributive law.
Okay.
All right, look at this for me, guys. Do you see that? All right, we have 5, 10, and 15. What's the highest common factor there?
5.
5.
Which letter is common?
W.
W. Everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
So what am I going to do next now? Divide everything by what?
5W.
5W. So that cancel that, leave back what? X. 5 into 10.
2. Y.
W cancel W, left back what?
Y.
5 to 15 goes.
3.
W cancel W,
Z.
left back Z. So that's the answer. Any questions?
Yes, sir, you're right, W. Oh, you're right, W.
I don't understand.
How do you write it?
How do I write?
W.
Okay.
How do I write W? Like that.
As in why you chose W? Because you have X, Y, and Z here. You can say common or something like that.
You just said. No, I think she asked me how do I write W or Y. Was it how or Y? Why choose W?
Oh.
How I write W? It's probably not right so good still, but that's right. All right. Somebody was asking why I choose W. It's because it was common here. Let me ask you a question. Suppose I say that the last term never have W. It's supposed to have A. What letter would go right here, sir?
5WA or 5A.
No letter would go there.
Thank you very much. Hey, you're smart, you know. No letter would go there.
Thank you.
No letter would go there. Because if you have three things, right? In all three things, you must have the same thing. Because remember, if you're gonna multiply 5 double times everything inside here, so you must get the same thing, that's true. If I put an A right here, so A I gonna reach up, A I gonna come in at this, but there's no A. A I gonna reach in at that, and there's no A. Alright? So if I had a letter right here, so like A, I couldn't use W. The only thing I could use is what? The 5. Any questions? All right, I'm going to give you 3 to try, and we're going to end class. How that sound?
Speaking my language.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir, I'm going by one stress ball for your class here.
Sir, go back to the other screen.
You sure? I never hear. Sorry about that. So you said positive?
Yes, I changed it after because I know that's what I have in my book, positive.
I never know, man. Sorry about that. All right.
So the answer could be P bracket negative XY close bracket.
No. Couldn't be
Okay.
X, Y. You couldn't have X and Y together. All right?
Okay.
All right. Nora?
Yes, sir. I have for this question 4y open bracket 4y minus 1.
Very good. Any questions? Let's check it. What's 4y times 4y? 16y squared.
16.
What's 4y times 1? You give back 4y. Kimoon?
So, sir, if I had 4y and over the top of the y I had a 1, that would still be correct or it would be wrong?
It will be correct. Still.
Huh?
Still correct.
Okay, thank you.
All right, go ahead for me, Kimoon.
Sir, 8p q plus 2r plus 3s.
Very good. Excellent. Any questions?
Got that one right.
All right.
Over number 2, sir,
Number 2.
please. Yes.
The highest common factor of 16 and 4 is what? 4. Whenever you're factorizing with powers, you use the lower power number. All right.
4.
And if you divide, if I were to divide everything by 4y, so I have 1y down here, so I have 2. So one of the y cancels out one of the 1, left back 1, and 4y 4y into 4y gives you what? 1.
1.
Yeah. All right.
You should write the answer as 4y bracket 4y, and you can put the 1 over the y or negative 1 bracket.
Yeah, man. You can put a 1 right here if you want to know.
Because that is what I had. I had the 1 over the y.
All right. Any questions? Can I move on? The last part? All right. I'm going to move on to the last part here, guys. So, this one is called a difference. And this is very easy. Difference of 2 squares. So, our next subtopic, we'll soon finish here. Difference of 2 squares. By the way, which number is this? 3?
Oh, you know, it dies.
All right. So is it 3? Right, 3. All right. So first thing, what is a square number? So examples of square numbers are 1, 9, 16, 25. I'll soon tell you why they are square numbers here. 36, Can somebody tell me what you think are square numbers? Look at these numbers.
So would it be like a multiple where you multiply by itself to get, like for
Right.
instance with 9,
Right.
3,
Right.
3,
So
3, 9.
right. So 3 threes is what? 9. 4 fours. 5 fives. You see that? And it goes on and what? On here. So, in other words, a square number, you see, you could interpret it another way. A square number is a number that you can find the square root of without leaving a remainder. So, for example, is 100 a square number? Yes.
Yes.
Because the square root of 100 is what?
10.
10.
So,
All
sir,
right.
example of square numbers are, so what about 4?
Oh, you're right. No, sorry. You're right. I missed out that one. All right. Question. Is 12 a square number?
No, sir.
Why not?
So
Because when
multiply
you check
what by
Because-
to get 12?
Because
decimal
this square root of 12 gonna give you a what? A remainder, not true? Is 20 a square number?
No, sir.
No,
You get a decimal.
Yes, sir.
What really? What's
you
square?
get a decimal.
What's the square root of 20? 10?
No, sir.
No,
10
4.4.
4 point something, not true? Right. Do you guys understand what's happening? All right. What's I know?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let me tell you.
It again.
Which one?
20.
You have a calculator?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm getting some.
Right. When you press the square root of 20, what number you get? You get 4 point something, not true?
4.432.
Right. You're not supposed to get any point. All right. You're not supposed to get any point. So these are like perfect square numbers, all right? All right. So you want to know, what does difference mean? What sign is that?
Take away.
Take away. All right. Let's get to the example. Let me show you how this thing is so easy. Factorize. Number 1. For a square, subtract 100 b squared. All right, look at that. Now, question. You are going to have to learn how to identify a difference of 2 squared. Number 1, it have to have a different sign. You see that? You have to have 2 square numbers. You follow? It's 4 square number.
Yes, sir.
Is 100
Yes, sir.
is 100 a square number?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And then no, you might say, well, sir, what if them give you one number on a square? All right, here we go. Don't worry about that. No. Let me show you to do this now, here. All right, and then I can answer that afterwards. Get that? All right, so
Yes, sir.
look at this now and tell me if this is true. Look at these, hold on, let me remember this. This is so easy, guys. Question like them, you have to get full marks. Look at these 2 things. Are they the same?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What does 2a square mean? 2a multiplied by what?
Times 2.
2a.
2.
And what's 2 2's? 4. What's a times a? A square. All right. I need someone to tell me what should I write over here, so no?
10
B.
b squared.
10b square. Not true. All right. Everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let me tell you something. Then we're done, you know. We're almost done, you know. Guess what, I know?
Well, on this, sir, only get 10b squared, so.
All right. Do
Where
you understand how we get this?
Yes, sir.
Or we get this?
You bracket the 2a and the square there, so you use the
No man, you tell me what you say. I know when you tell me when we have. When I ask you how you get this.
All right, me don't know then.
All right, you see? What does 2a square mean? 2a.
2 times 2.
2a times 2a. That's what it means, not true?
All right.
And when you multiply this, do I get back this?
Yes, sir.
Right. So all I'm doing right here, so I'm just rewriting this. Oops. I'm rewriting this like this. So what is 10b square? What is 10b square? How are you going to write it out?
100.
Wala naman na siya talk to.
Oh, so me never know. So me 10.
Hey. 10b square is what? 10b times what? 10b. What's 10 times 10?
100.
And what's b times b? B square.
Square.
Right. Very good. Very good.
Okay.
Here we are going. You don't know, no. Watch now. So the answer now? The answer is just simply 2a subtract 10b. Put that in a bracket. And then guess what? Write about the same thing again. But you don't write a minus. What you write? Plus. And that's the answer. In other words, one is always a minus, one is always a what? Plus. By the way, this step is not necessary. You don't necessarily have to write it here. You can just go straight to the answer. Because these questions are worth only 1 mark.
Jesus.
Any questions?
Which one you say don't have to write, sir?
The middle one. It's not really important. You can just actually look at it and just work it out. But the reason I wrote it is I just want to see how them get, a clear picture. All right, quickly, because time is going. I want you guys to try this.
Well, sir, if we not write the middle part, how we go get the answer?
You're not afraid to make the part, man. Okay, work out this for me, please. I want someone to just look at this and tell me what the answer is.
Anybody, sir?
10,
Anybody? 10, right?
81.
That is lie.
Minus
Minus 3y.
3y. And what's the other one? The
That's
same thing, but you write a what? You write a plus. And you're done. Any questions? Can I move on? Anybody writing? I want somebody to look at that and tell me what the answer is.
Sir, 81 that?
Yeah,
Is that
81.
81?
Yes, 81.
5
Mm-hmm.
x minus
9.
9.
And the
5
other,
plus 9.
right? Other one is plus and true. And you're done.
5x plus 9.
You guys catch it now?
Yes, sir.
You catch it?
Yeah.
All right. Let me see if you catch it. If you really catch it, I know.
Sir, all I'm gonna just a run so.
Yeah.
So 5 5 25 x squared and 9 9 9 times 9 81.
Yeah, man.
Okay, yeah. Me have to just work it out to get it in my head. Yeah.
Well, if you get in your head, you have to get it somewhere else, don't you? After you in your head, don't you? Let me see if you
Yes,
guys.
sir.
Let me see if you guys are really thinking. Somebody, the brightest person in class, tell me what the answer is.
Sir, stop to that. Not everybody in the
All
class,
right, all
right?
right, all right. The dunks person in class, tell me what the answer is.
Serious?
Sir, you are set up, sir. You are set up.
All right.
1 minus
Karen, don't answer.
1 minus 9.
Minus
8y.
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 Mm-hmm. And 1 what?
1 plus
Plus
8y.
8y. Are you done? So much dunks in the class. Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding.
Sir, stop it.
All right. Let me give you some time to write off here.
Your class finish now.
Eh?
Class finish now.
Come on, hold on.
10 o'clock, you know, sir.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Look, my last page.
I remember me back.
Please write it off.
Sir, when you finish, you can put back the page where you write down the one that you tick that you did already. So we can just screenshot it, please.
All right.
Sir, like how everyone else is writing, can I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, I'm asking, when are you commencing the SBA? Is it this year or next year?
This year.
Okay.
Why
Will it be
Sir,
soon?
are you writing?
If
Sir, are you writing?
No, I'm not writing.
Okay.
No, go ahead, miss. Go ahead. All right, I have one last one. So this one will take us out here. But this one is only for geniuses.
Here and now, everybody in the class are genius, sir.
Let me see who's really. Let me see what the top dog. Let me see what the top dog.
Due to the fact me now make Mr. Stevens set me up as a class, I'm not even answer.
Let me see what. If you're a top dog, you know, you're a puppy, you know. All right. No, see, on a serious thing. What is it? What do you think this is? Yeah.
Sir, all thing you do I left off is square. Eh?
Oh.
Oh.
Anybody else? What you can do that one? Kung na yun na yung mata. Ayun na yung mata. Ay, may talaga sa... Ano may duwan ng tako sa Aureliano. Eh, when I go to school naman, you used to get heavy girl, you know, cause guess what? So once you're a boy and you good for maths, they worship you, you know. No, seriously, guys, how do you do this?
Sir, is it 1 minus x?
It's 1 minus 3x, and then you have open bracket 1 plus 3x close bracket.
Hold on, come again. What's on the outside?
1
minus.
She said 1 minus.
No, make you talk. Miss, go again, please.
I was saying 1 minus 3x.
Alright, you have 1 minus 3x.
I say open bracket first. That's what I should have said.
Oh, open bracket 1 minus 3x.
Yes, sir. Close bracket. And open bracket.
No.
1 plus 3x.
Sir, is it...
hold on.
First time was
you're 90% correct. Something is missing. You're 90% correct.
Sir.
A number should be out here, so.
The 3 should be
the 3, sir.
Right. Very good. The 3 should be right there. But let me take you back here. Let me take you back. She gave the final answer. But here we are going now. Y'all listen to me? Una listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Question. Can I factorize this as a difference of 2 squared as it is right now?
No, sir.
No. Why not?
No.
Why not? Because
the 3.
3 and the 27 is not a square number. Thank you very much. So even though you have a square right here, so, and you have a difference right here, so, the numbers don't connect. So we can't use difference of 2 squares. So guess what we have got to know? We have got to use the distributive law. What's the highest common factor of 3 and 27?
3.
3. And then you divide everything by what? 3. And then you're going to get what? 1 subtract what?
3x.
No. What's 3 to 27?
Oh,
9.
9x squared, not you?
Yes.
And what is that? Then no. Look at this. Is this a difference?
Yes.
Is 1 a square number?
Yes.
Is 9 a square number?
Yes.
So this question here in the bracket is a difference of what? 2 squares. So guess what you're going to know? You're going to factorize out this as a difference of 2 squares. In other words, you're going to do it like you do this one up here and do that one up here. So because one is a square number, you're going to get 1 subtract what? 3x times 1 plus what? 3x.
3x.
All right? So that's the answer. Very good. All right. All right. So here in the reading of the scriptures, can I get an amen? What's up, boy?
I'm leaving class now, sir.
All right, guys. So that's it. So I will give you a few minutes. So you notice the instructions for anytime we're doing algebra, right? Anytime we're doing algebra, you notice what you should look at. Look at the instructions. Sometimes I would say what? Find, not true. Can someone tell me which topic I would say find?
Subtraction.
No man. It starts with S. Which topic in algebra starts with S?
Simplify.
No, I hear two some. No, simplify is not a topic. Substitution, right? So in substitution, you notice that when you get the answers, you get a value, not true? You get a number, right? Can someone tell me what is substitution? What substitution mean?
Replacing the
letters with numbers. Right. Hey, who's on the bread? Right. So it's a substitution. The instruction would be find. All right. And every other thing that comes after that, adding, subtracting, multiplying, algebraic expressions, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, algebraic fractions, the distributive law, you will see simplify, you will see removing brackets. Not true? But whenever you're factorizing, what instruction you will see? You'll see factorize. Not true? All right, so you have to look out for that, yeah? All right, so let's look at this example here. All right, suppose you ask to do that, right? We notice we have a lot of powers, isn't true? Now, whenever you see, whenever you're factorizing powers with powers, what to do? We look for the lower power number. Make a note of that. Look for the lower, very important. The lower power number. All right. No, when we talk about lower power number, we're talking about the powers. All right. We're talking about the powers. Now, you notice we have 10 and 15. Not true. 10 and 15, you wouldn't consider those the powers, right? You consider the 5, the 3, the 2, and the 6 as what? As powers. Right. So notice the 10 and the 15 different from the powers. So anytime you're factorizing with powers, you look for the what? The lower power number, and the lower power number are the power numbers itself. All right. So, can you tell me? All right. First of all, we have 10 and we have 15, right? What's the highest common factor of 10 and 15?
25, Missy, you know. Make up your mind.
I mean, 10 and 25. What's the highest common factor?
5.
Should have been what? 5. All right, so you notice I don't apply this lower power number to the 10 and the 15. So what we're going to do next now is that we're going to write back x, we'll write back y. Now we have x5, x2. Which one is the lower power number?
2.
2. We have y3, y6. What's the lower power number?
3.
y3. Everybody see that?
Yeah.
Again, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. So we have, let me say it again. We have 10. We have what? 25. You look for the what? The highest common factor. The highest common factor of 10 and 25 is what? 5. Everybody see that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now when it comes to the powers now, what did I say? You look for the what? The lower power number. Please make a note of that. So we have x5. So you compare x5 with x2, not true? So you can compare x5 with y3, x5 with y6. You compare x5 with what? x2. And x2 is the what? The lower power number. So it's going to be the factor. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we compare y3 with what?
Y6.
y6. And which one of them smaller?
Y3.
Right. So you use that as a factor.
Mm.
So you see, all of this that you just worked out a while ago is called the what? The factor. It's something that come outside the bracket.
Okay.
And then what's going to happen? You're going to have what? Open bracket, not true? And then now we're going to try to figure out what goes here plus what goes there. Close bracket, and then we're done. You want to follow? All right, so here we are going now. To find out what goes in here, you see the factor we used it a while ago? You're going to divide it. So you're going to divide 5x squared y cubed into this. What's 5 into 10?
2.
2. All right, so can someone tell me how you work out, how you divide x5 by x2?
Subtract it.
Right.
X times x.
Right. All right. You have 2 ways of doing it. Roger says subtract it, because when you divide them with the same base, you subtract. Or you could just write out 5x5 times divided by x2 times. All right. Okay. Somebody's trying to come in. Oh boy. So I don't know. You see what happened? You see, because I'm not the host, I can't let her in. The principal have to let her in. All right. So guess what? So let us go the easy route. Let's just subtract it. So 2 from 5 will give us what? 3. So we get what? x3. So when you divide it with the same base, what do we do with the index? We subtract it. So 2 from 5 will give you 3. What about this one here? That was one cancel out, not true?
Yeah.
So you leave it with y.
You'll get 3 subtract 3, which is what? Y to the what? 0. And what's y to the 0? 1. All right. And you don't have to write the 1. All right. Everybody following so far? Any questions? And then now you're going to divide the same factor, 5x squared y3 All right, so 5 into 5 goes what? Sorry, 5 into 25 goes what? 5, not true? These two x2 will cancel out, not true?
Yeah.
So you're going to have 1. You don't have to write the 1. y3 from y6 is going to give you what?
Y3.
Y3. And that's your answer. All of this is your answer. All right, any part that you
Hold
don't
on,
follow?
just write it off.
Yeah, man. So while you write off, is there anybody lost? Anybody, anything that you want me to explain? Are we clear?
I don't know if it's clear.
You don't know if it's clear.
Plus 5, y.
Look, man, look good and make sure you look and you ask questions, you know.
So you will always use back the bottom division number on both sides.
Right. So whatever you get right here, so?
Right.
You use and divide it right through.
Oh, okay.
Alright, and you know so you can check back your answer though. Cause look. 5 2s give back the 10, not true? It's anything you get out here, so you're supposed to can multiply it and give back your answer up here, so. Look, 5 5 give back 25. Alright?
Okay.
Alright. So you can use that to check. So tell me when you finish so I can move on. You guys want to try one or you want me to give one example?
Try. You want another one?
Another example?
Try.
Alright, you want to try one?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Alright. Alright, tell me when you finish, here. Anybody writing?
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Okay, alright, no problem. Let me see if I can look at these SMSs.
Sir, question.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Over there, so we have y3 minus 3 equal y0. How you come about that again?
You mean the zero or the 1?
The entire thing, because they minus the 3 from the 6, where they left you with 3.
No. That you see this? This is for this.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Okay. All right, thanks.
Sir, 5x2, how that come again? Oh.
You mean right here, sir? This 2 here?
Yeah.
Alright, so what happened is that we look for the lower power number. So we have x5 and we have x2, so we use x2. Get it?
Okay.
Sir, never. I wasn't at the last class, so is factorizing all of the 5 categories of factorizing is it like similar? You find the lowest common factor? Is it the same for algebra and the other categories?
No. It's when you're factorizing, like it's with these numbers, you look for the highest common factor, not the lowest.
The highest, yes.
Yeah, the highest.
The highest.
Right,
So is it the same for the rest?
Well, when it's a rest, you mean
The other categories, powers, algebra, the one that you labeled.
All right. So what happened? All right. So all right. Let me tell you. I cannot recall any topic where we use the lowest common factor. Only probably the lowest common multiple, or the you use LCM.
That was a mistake. No, what I was asking is it the same way for factorizing, right? Is it the same way we would find the highest common factor for the other categories of factorizing or factorization?
Yes. As long as you're factorizing and you have these numbers and the word says factorize, you always use the highest common factor.
Okay, and then divide.
And when you get think about it, think about it, because you have different types of factorization. The techniques are different. All right, the techniques are different, so it's not solely based on this. I understand what you're trying to say. You're wondering if I saw all the questions them do, or if I saw all of the number them. No, everything's set up different. All right.
But what I mainly want to know.
But in fact, when you're factorizing and you have whole numbers, you always look for the highest common factor.
Okay, so that's common.
Yeah. If you recall, earlier when I started the class, we were looking at the distributive. We said that we'd look at the distributive factorization. We also use the highest common factor for that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The distributive and powers are basically similar. They're kind of similar. All right.
I understand that.
All
okay.
Right. I'm sure you guys are through. So let me just put one for you guys to try. So try this one. Oh, hold on, I missed out a letter here. This should have been Q. Let me ask a question. Suppose it's a Q alone. What number is actually there?
1.
1. Thank you very much. They're not going to put the 1 there. All right. Okay, try it one for me. I'm going to give you 5 minutes, all right? Or anybody who is finished and wants to take a jab at this, you may do so here. Just let me know. Notes I said jab.
Alright, sir. Me take a scribble. I'm kind of finish.
Alright. Oh, hold on. Anybody still working? Anybody still working?
Yes.
Alright. Roger, get them.
Me hold off.
Give them a minute or so, yeah?
Yeah.
Can you notice I added an extra one, you know?
Yeah.
Finish now, sir.
Anybody is finished? Alright, Roger, take the floor, sir.
Alright.
I will write here. I will write.
Alright, sir. So, first thing we do, allocate the highest common factor between the three. Right, between the 18, 27, 36, we get 9.
Alright. Is he correct, class? Is
Yes.
9 the highest number?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Very good. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Alright, so next step now, we choose the lowest power between the P and the Q. So for the first P, I choose P2, and for the Q, I choose just Q.
Alright, Roger.
Alright.
Right. Come on.
So the third step is to divide the factor by each. So for the first one, we get 2PQ.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Any questions so far?
Yes, sir. For the first part, 9 into 9, 1, 9 into 18, 2, but the minus part where I take the power 2 from 3, wouldn't it be P1? Q there, so?
Come on, I'm not following.
I reach that step there.
Oh, you're talking about inside?
Yeah.
You're talking about inside, or are you talking about right here? So?
Inside. Well,
no, we don't reach a set.
Alright.
Yeah, man, but we don't. Alright. Okay, Roger, good. Continue.
Alright. So for that step now. Alright, so we go ahead and cancel. Cancel the 9 from the first one, we get 2, 9 into 18, 2. Cancel the P square from the P third, we get P, and Q from Q square, we get Q.
All right.
Plus.
Hold on, Roger. Any questions about this? Anybody have any problems with what right here?
Q square. When you take away Q from Q square, you just get back Q.
Yeah, man. Because what is 1 from 2? 1 subtract 2 is 1, you know.
Yeah.
Me hear somebody say them lost. Where are you lost?
All right, so when you take so I understand why I would write back just the P, because when I take 2 from 3,
you get 1.
You just 1, so you know the imaginary one would be there, but you don't have to write it. But if you write it, would it be wrong or would it be okay?
No, it wouldn't be wrong.
It would be wrong?
No, it would not be wrong.
Okay.
All right. I hear somebody say that then lost.
Me, sir, me.
Tell me what
what's the number under the 18P3Q? square. What's that underneath it?
9. It's this 9.
9 what? 9 what?
9. No, it's all of this.
Oh.
So that is actually the factor.
Right, this is called the factor.
Factor.
All right. Yes, Roger. Continue.
All right. So after that, I have 9. So cancel 9 from 27 gives us 3. P square from P square gives us none, and square from square 0. So only 3.
Hold on, Roger. You have to be careful when it says 0, you know.
No,
Because
sorry, it's actually none.
1. No, it's actually 1. Because
So, Roderick, wouldn't you have 3Q?
No, because Q from Q is 0 or none.
What messing me up each time I look at it, when I say the Q from Q1, I'm thinking that you should still write a Q.
No.
No.
It's actually 1 from 1, 0.
Right, so it's actually Q0, but Q0 is 1.
I think what I should let you know is because there's already Q outside. Remember the 9p squared and the Q that is outside the bracket. When you multiply that by what is inside the bracket, you're supposed to get by the 18p, the 18, the 27, and the 36.
Right.
Yeah,
you could look at it that way also. Yeah.
Yeah.
But what I don't want you guys to be saying is that when you cancel P2 and P2, you get 0, because it might cause some problems, because you might say, if you get 0 times 2 will just cancel off, not true? So what you should actually say is that it just cancel off to give you 1. Or what you could say, Q to the 0 actually gives you 1. All right, but in other words, guys, P2 cancel out P2, give 1. Q cancel Q, give 1. That's all. All right.
But
So
we're not going to write the 1.
Right. All of this, you don't have to write the 1. So all of this right here is just 3. All right.
All right. And then continue. For the last step, 9 cancel 36 gives us 4. And P square cancel P fourth gives us P square. And square cancel square 3. Yes, square 1. Cancel square 3 gives us square 2.
No, it's Q, you know.
Q square, sorry.
No, it's not. No, it's not Q square. It's just Q. This is just Q.
Yeah, Q. Yes, Q. Cancel Q3 gives us Q
square. Right.
Yes.
So I have that part of it correct. The only clarification that I needed was the where the 3 came in, but I got that so far.
All right. Any questions? And you know, if you multiply everything here, so you'll get back the original question, not true? All right. So somebody's asking which topic is this? This is actually factorizing using powers, right? All right. So any questions? All right.
Sir, please explain back.
Sir.
P square and Q square, the last section of the math.
All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So 9 into 9 goes 1. 9 into 36 goes 4. You see that? We have 2p at bottom. All right. Think about this. You have 2p at bottom and you have 4p at top. The 2 at bottom will cancel out 2 at top. Left back how much? 2. Or you could say 2 from 4. You could say 2 from 4 will give you what? 2.
It's all right, sir. It's all right. Yeah, it's all right.
Yeah. All right. So continue or?
Yeah. That's okay. I understand.
Okay. Yes, Miss Banton, you raise the hand. Oh, that probably is an error. Trying to do so many things here. Okay, thank you, Miss Virgo. All right. All right. So, anybody writing? All right. So I'm not hearing anybody. So I'm gonna put 2 for you to try to seal the deal. All right. Oh, that's on. If you can get 2 correctly with no itch, it means you're good. You're good like that. All
That
right.
sound good.
Yeah, man. And I know the ladies like to hear men say that. Not true. You're good like. All right. Not true, ladies. You're good like that. All right. Or you're bad like that. I don't know. I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there. All right. So answer those 2 questions. Please don't try to make any mistake. Answer, boy, somebody left off this. No, don't try to make no mistake. Just try to get the thing correct. All right. You 8 minutes to do this. All right.
If you're talking, sir, I'm not hearing anything. Just static.
No, I'm not talking. I'm just
Okay.
I'm just writing the question.
Okay.
No, that's not my background, you know. Bennett, you raise your hand?
No, sir.
Okay, just put it back down here. All right, guys. So this will seal the deal on this topic here, right?
Finished, sir.
Good night. Everything all right? You just joining? All right, if you're just joining, this is a class activity going on here.
No, sir. Said that I'm finished with the question.
Hey. Oh, I thought you said good night, sir. Both of them? You want to try? Which one you want to try? All right. Anybody want to try number one?
I'm not finished yet, sir.
Sir, I'm not finished
Give us
yet.
some time. Let us finish number 2, please.
All right.
Finished, sir.
You wanna go ahead?
I want to try. I could try, of course.
Can you write on the screen?
No, I cannot. I can tell you what to write. Is that okay?
All right.
Go
ahead.
So number 1, it would be 6 square n bracket
I didn't get the letter part. Say it again.
It is 6m squared n three n squared
Hold on.
2m
Okay. 3n squared. Okay, yes.
plus 2m.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Hold on. Yes, you're absolutely correct.
Is that correct?
Yeah, man, you're correct. Very good. Congrats.
Yay.
Yeah. Yes, miss. Go ahead with the question.
Shouldn't it be 2, the highest common multiple?
No, man. 6 can go. How much 6 can go into 12?
2 times. What I'm saying, shouldn't it
And
be 2
6.
being the multiple? I think 2 into 18, 9 times 2 into 12, 6.
But what about 6? Isn't 6 higher than 2?
2 plus this.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. You understand?
No, because you said the highest common multiple and
6 can still go into 18.
But 6 is higher than 2. Isn't that so? You wouldn't agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, 6 bigger than 2.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Probably mixing up the lowest with the highest.
Yes, that's what I did.
Yeah, it's not the lowest, it's the highest common factor. Any concerns about this answer here? Anybody lost?
No,
Sir,
sir.
I'm not lost, but I wonder if I made a mistake, because you said from the lowest to the highest. I don't know.
Where exactly?
It seems as if I took down the wrong thing. Was it 18m squared?
Do you have this? Look at the screen. Do you have this?
I took it down wrong. I had some 2 where it shouldn't be and something going when it's supposed to. So let me just correct it.
All right. All right. So you made an error writing out the question, and that's common here.
Yeah.
That's common.
Sir.
Yes.
I have 3n plus 2n. So I don't know when I make the mistake with the n square.
Okay, so you had come again. You had 3.
I have for the answer I have 3n.
Hold on, you're talking about you're talking about inside?
Yes, so I don't
All
get
right.
the part where with the n square, but I have 3n and 2n.
Yeah, go fast. So you didn't get this?
No, just the square part, get me have the 6m.
All right. Okay. Hold on. Let's take it one step at a time. So remember, what is outside is called the what? What's it called?
The factor.
The factor, not true?
Yes.
And what did I say whenever you factorize with powers? What to look for?
The smallest.
All right. So isn't 2 smaller than 3?
Yes.
Right. So that's the reason why we use 2 here.
Yeah, but instead of me use the m square with the n, me just use the n alone.
No.
So that's why I make the mistake.
Yeah, you can't. No, you have to use the whole thing. All right.
Okay.
All right. All right. Any takers for number 2?
Sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, me kind of mix up because I made the mistake, and please just go over it quickly, cause me I try to figure out where I go wrong, and then me don't know, please.
Stop it.
Okay, I don't have to do anything else now. I can work it out myself. Because I had a number over the N and it was mixing me up.
Any takers for number 2?
Okay, sir.
All right.
Okay, go on.
All right. All right.
All right.
Boss attack, you know. Boss attack.
Yeah, all right, sir.
All right, I'll be right, man, right here.
All
Go
right,
on, man, go
so
on.
for the factor, we have 7x third and y squared. We're going to use that factor to divide the problem. All right, so we have 3, 7, cancel 21, 3, x third cancel x 4, x, y square cancel y 5, y third, minus 7x
Hold on.
third. Yes.
You sure, sir? You sure, sir? All right, go on.
Yes. 7x third y square cancel 7x third y square. You know where that go?
All right, so basically you get just one, is that not true?
Yes, 1.
Okay, all right.
Plus, okay, 7x third y square cancel 14x third y fifth. We get 2y third. Conclusion.
Sir, where the minus and the plus comes, would you change that to a negative?
No, man, you just write back the minus and you write back the plus. That's all. You don't do anything to the signs.
Okay.
It's one of
That's
those.
what I got.
It's one of those questions where the sign. Luckily, the sign has no bearing on the question. You just write it back.
Okay. That's what I have then.
All right. Any questions on this?